Okay, this is a presentation on key interactions for P5. So as you can see, you need to click Enter on your keyboard to start. So here we start by choosing a character that you want to select, and if it shows us that if key is R, which is on our keyboard, then it's MAC red, and then you can choose different colors. So for example, you could do if key is MAC O, then you select MAC orange, and so on. And then you can see the full code over here. As you can see, by selecting a certain key, you select a different character. So for this example, I'm going to select green by pressing the G button on my keyboard. To start off, we're going to start with running. So we're going to be using the left and right arrow on our keyboard to move our character around. So by pressing the right arrow, we move forwards, and by pressing the left arrow, we move backwards. This is shown by the picture over here of the code. So if the key is down on the left arrow, we move left by an increment of 2, and if it's down on the right arrow, we move right by an increment of 4. Next, we're going to do jumping with the space button on our keyboard. So by pressing the space button, it allows us to jump upwards. As shown by the code here, by clicking the space bar, which is represented by the number 32, we jump upwards, and then the rest of this code shows us is an example of gravity to bring us downwards after we reach a certain height. We can also combine the two aspects of jumping and running at the same time by putting the two codes together. Finally, we can change the color of different objects by clicking the B button or clicking the W button on our keyboard. W for white and B for black. And it's shown by this code over here. If you click B, then we change the color to black, and if we click W, we change the color to white. Alright, that's the end of the demonstration on how to use key interactions. Thank you for listening.